we're going to use the Pso Sprocket to get into the outer part of your leg. Show a little thigh here. Now, when we're using the Pso Sprocket, you can see some lines already that I want to work up and down to help clean up this area of my leg. And I can also pull, see that when I pull here, see this line right here? I want to work into that area too. So I can pull and then also work into it. I can pull and work into it. I'm just going to use one sprocket for now, but I could also use two here. See this? Look at this. So I'm going to pull up and then now I'm going to work this area. Pull up and I'm working this area. Pull, work down this area. Pull up, work up this area. I can switch how I hold it on my hands too. Press and pull right there. Tender spot. This is an area that I haven't gotten into. And I also just did legs the other day, so it could be tender because of that. But now I just found a spot and I can go up and down. So this is why this thing was created. Get in those hamstrings, but get into this quad that it's so hard to get into. And now explore. Press and pull. Little movements here. Look at that. So when I go like this, you can see the lines that I need to work up and down. That huge line right there. Work up and down that. Short little passes. Long passes. Short little passes. Long passes. All right? And then the third one is find a spot and then start to extend that leg out. Come up into the quad. Massaging down right here. I can even get some CBD or So Good CBD, rub it on the leg, and I can be able to do some cross member stuff right here. And just really explore with this Pso Sprocket all over your quad. This might be exactly what you're looking for to get into that muscle.